Assalamu alaikum. From today onwards, we are going to have a new session or a new initiative that is Siasat SSC mathematics coaching. Here we are going to cover everything which is needed for SSC examination, especially for mathematics. In this video and in the upcoming videos, we are going to discuss all the chapters which is available for the mathematics course of SSC. The first chapter will be there is coordinate geometry. We selected this chapter first, seeing its weightage. Its weightage is high in mathematics question paper in SSC. So first we need to understand what this coordinate geometry is. So before going into the details, we need to first understand what is axis, what is x-axis, what is y-axis. In a two-dimension, we have two axes, x-axis and y-axis. The center one, there is an intersection point between x-axis and y-axis, is called origin. There is 0, 0. So if I plot points on the right hand side of the origin, then it is positive x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I plot points on the left hand side of x-axis, there is negative x-axis. -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. This is y-axis. The points above the origin will be positive y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Points below y-axis is negative y-axis, -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Now if someone says a point A 3, 5, if someone asks you to plot a point 3, 2 on this axis, then it means this 3 is x-axis, this 5 is y-axis. So as you can see here, it is positive 3. So the point is somewhere here. This point is somewhere here. The point can be above this 3 or below this 3, depending upon y-coordinate. If y-coordinate is positive, then obviously the point will be above x-axis. If the y-coordinate is negative, the point will be below y-axis. Here in this case, the y-coordinate is 5, there is positive value. So that means x-axis 3 and y-axis 5. So the point will be somewhere here, A 3, 5. Now for example, there is another point. Let us consider this point as x1, y1. There is another point B 1, 2. Let it be x2, y2. Second coordinate. So here x value is 1. So the x value is positive 1, y value is 2, that is positive 2, so somewhere here. So if I plot point B, there is 1, 2. We understood how to plot points on the axis. Based on whether it is a positive value or a negative value, we will decide in which quadrant we can place this point. This quadrant is called quadrant 1, this quadrant is 2, this is 3, this is 4. You have 4 quadrants. So we understood how to plot a point on the axis or in 2 dimension. But how to find out distance between 2 points? For example, if in your question paper they ask giving these 2 points 3, 5 and 1, 2 and ask you to find the distance between these 2 points. There is distance between these 2 points. The distance between these 2 points can be decided by a formula. So distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is, so if we have 2 points x1 y1, B y x2 y2, if we want to find out distance between these 2 points, then the formula will be under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is very important formula. This plays a very crucial role in solving problems in this chapter, coordinate geometry.